Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Google Gemini app on your mobile device. In this case I'm using an iPhone, but it's very similar by going to the Google Play Store on any Android device and downloading from there. As I'm using an iPhone for this video, go to the App Store, and before I do that, if the video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. It really helps me out. So basically, I'm on the home screen of my iPhone. I've got the App Store in the middle of my home screen. It's this blue button. Press it and then go down to the bottom right. There's the search page. And at the top of the search page, start typing in Google Gemini. And then press the search button on the bottom right. And that's going to load a bunch of different listings for us. Scroll past the first advertisement and find the Google Gemini organic listing. That's this one right here. On the right hand side, there's a button that says Get, G-E-T. You want to press that button and it's going to ask us to confirm our Face ID by double clicking the button on the right hand side of the iPhone device. Once I do that, and once Face ID has been approved, it will start downloading the app onto your device. And you can see the progress of the download by the blue ring going around the circle on the top right or on the right hand side of the listing title. I'm going to come back once this has fully downloaded. So guys, as we can see, Google Gemini has now fully downloaded, and from within the App Store we can press the open button to basically launch the app. So press that now. And then from there, you can see Google Gemini has fully downloaded successfully on this iPhone or on this mobile device. You can start logging into your account, to your Google account, and using Google Gemini from there. So guys, if the video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I'll get an answer back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.